In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Proton Mail on Arch Linux. Proton Mail offers a dedicated desktop app for Linux, but on Arch Linux, the most common and recommended way to install it is through the Arch User Repository, also known as the AUR. This approach gives you a native installation experience that fits nicely into desktop environments like KDE Plasma, GNOME, or Hyperland, and it's often the preferred option for Arch users who want tighter system integration. Before you begin, it's helpful to understand why this first step matters. Software from the AUR is typically built on your own machine rather than installed from the official Arch repositories. Because of that, your system needs the essential development tools required to download source files and compile packages properly. If those tools are missing, the installation process may fail before it even starts. To get everything ready, open a fresh terminal window. A quick way to do that on many systems is by pressing Control, Alt, and T together. Once the terminal is open, you'll update your package database, upgrade any installed packages that need it, and install the core development dependencies in one command. Type the following command exactly as shown. sudo pacman su needed base devel git, then press enter. This command does a few important things at once. The package manager first synchronizes your system's package databases, then checks for available upgrades, and finally installs the required packages only if they are not already present. The base devel group includes the standard tools needed for building software on Arch, while Git is necessary because AUR packages are commonly retrieved from Git repositories. If prompted for your administrator password, enter it and continue. You may also be asked to confirm the installation of packages or upgrades. In that case, review the summary and approve it to proceed. Depending on how recently your system was updated and the speed of your internet connection, this step may take a little time. One useful tip here is to avoid interrupting the update process once it has started. Since this command can upgrade existing packages as well, stopping midway could leave your system in an inconsistent state. It's best to let it complete fully. When the command finishes without errors, your system will be prepared for the next stage of working with AUR packages. At that point, you'll have the build tools and Git installed, which are the key prerequisites for compiling the Proton Mail desktop app natively on Arch Linux. That's it for this part of the setup. Once this preparation step is complete, you're ready to move forward with the actual AUR installation process.